What up, everybody? This is Dev Everything. Today I am morel hunting for the first time of the year. I doubt I'll find anything in this video, but besides that, it's really pretty out here, so I thought I'd videotape it either way. I hope I'm not trespassing anywhere, but this spot looks vacant. And it's just off the side of some train tracks, so. They're also right next to a good water source. This creek right here. So far, I don't see any, but I have heard from many people in the area already that there are lots of them being found. So I'm looking because it's a huge competition in my area. So you gotta get them while you can, because literally no area is safe in Arkansas for morels. Just saw a snake or something jumping right there. That might have just been a frog. Okay, let's go over here. Okay.